Good day traders, this is Master FX Chifu from the Universal Forex Dojo. Let's check out our trade of the week. Now before we do that, check out the Wushu 2.0.
Automate your entire trade management process with the most advanced tool on the market. Remove emotions, perfect execution, all instruments. Trade the Asian session, London session, and New York session in your sleep. Spend less than 2 hours on charts and allow the Wushu to trade for you through all sessions. Wushu 2.0 features auto place, stop orders, auto break even, auto partials, auto trail stop, proprietary auto exit strategy. How it all works. Step 1. Analyze your charts and set up your trade ideas. Step 2. Input your trade setups, entry point, stop loss, and risk. Step 3. Go about your day and let the Wushu do all the work through all sessions. Summary. The Wushu will position size for you, auto place stop order, move stop to break even, take partials for you, trail stop, limit max loss for the day. Auto hedge new feature. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode will hedge every position you take. It will manage the 2 positions using the Dojo proprietary exit mode. The Wushu will proceed to close the losing position and take profits from the winning position. The Wushu 2.0 auto hedge mode is set to close at 1.5 R of every position it takes. Take your trading to the next level with the Wushu 2.0. Get our tool, uniforexdojo.com. info@uniforexdojo.com.
I hope you guys are doing fantastic. This is one of our goal setups from yesterday's live stream, which was basically requested by one of you guys on the stream chat. It actually maxed out at 10R. Let's take a look at how we got to it. Moving forward on gold. 1 hour, nothing on the hourly there. I actually don't like it when gold gets this erratic as well. I do not. Massive liquidity at the bottom here. Massive. Okay, let's see how the 30-minute is looking. Okay. Let's see how the 15 is looking. Okay. This liquidity at the bottom is something to be concerned about. Okay, let's take a look at the 5. Broke sector tracing. Could be looking at a potential sell on gold. Of course, refine to a decent OB. I'm keeping it at that point mainly because a 65-point stop loss on gold is not ideal. They don't have something along these lanes. There we go, and then of course tank to the bottom. I'll actually be following this one for a bit and just see how it plays out. So you can keep an eye with me. Then let's just watch it. Okay. Retracing there. This is the BOS on the 1 minute. Keeping that a bit high, just expecting it to keep holding these zones. Still generating liquidity, so we are gonna see it smash through it at some point. So let's just watch and see if it does give us anything in the next couple of minutes. and then we'll take it from there. I see AN, yes, definitely back in, definitely back. Let us see if we can grab any of the setups and see if we can take advantage moving from there. Okay. We may have probably missed that one. Definitely missed it. It's gone. Definitely heading to all that liquidity that's laying at the bottom. I mean, even this push was not strong enough. Let's keep watching. I'll just hop off in the next 5 minutes. I think this one is gone, so we'll definitely have to jump on it. But meanwhile, do keep the zone in check, keep watching it, because now there's a lot of liquidity being generated here as well. So there's no reason for price to go up there and tank. So let me just break it down to how it ended, maxing out at 10R. I'm just going to zoom into price and then I'll break it down from there. And I see the last 7 trades we had on gold. We had 2 losses and these are some pretty good wins. And I'm going deeper into price here. I know you're watching this on the lower time frame. We're following it on the 1 minute. So I'm just going to break it down to you guys and then you can see how it played out. Sorry, 1 minute right there. There we go. So basically price literally came back into our zone. And like I said, if you are using, or not if, when you take our setups, you have to use sell stops because we are trying to capitalize on momentum as well. So price eventually did come back, taking all the liquidity that was laying around here. And of course, this would have been the candle that triggered you in. And then if you are using the Wushu toolbox, then just input the prices and then it'll do that for you. And then after that trade was triggered, it played around the area for a bit and then eventually tanked, hitting our 10R, 9.6R, give or take. And then if you didn't catch that, you'd have probably caught the second trade whereby price did come back into the zone, and of course you use our exact same exit strategy. It would have been triggered here and probably caught half of the first one, which is around 5R, give or take. And then of course the last one you'd have caught would be this one here, where it would have been triggered here and either retraced here, kicking you out, or of course tanking out maxed at 20R. And that was a pretty decent setup. So we'll see what next week has in store for us. This starting July was not that great, but we will get our momentum, we'll get our consistency, trust the process, and eventually you will be sorted. Okay, don't forget to check out the Wushu, the bootcamp, and of course our signals. Happy trading, guys.